welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a pocket torch. So this is how it looks. It's very simple to make. You need very few materials to make this. So let's move on to the video. So the materials that you need to make this pocket torch are: you need an empty Tic Tac box, you need a scissor, you need some tape, then you need a circuit with a tiny switch on top of it and two bulbs, and it also needs to have a battery holder. So if you ask me where do I get this from, so I got this from a torch that you can attach in the on your cycle. So when that broke, I took off that from the cycle torch, and now we are using it as a pocket torch. And then you finally need two 3-volt lithium batteries. So now I will show you how to make it. So the first thing you need to do is take your Tic Tac box and remove the lid. Now keep them aside, and then take your circuit and take your 2 lithium batteries. Now place them here, the place where this battery should be kept. Place it properly and then attach, put this copper wire, and you have to connect it like this. Now just click the button to see whether the light is working. So the light is apparently working. So the another specialty of this circuit is it has 3 different types of lights. So the first one is it's direct light. The second one is it blinks pretty quickly, and then the third one is it blinks but slower than the second one. So now what you need to do is you might have noticed that the batteries are falling off. So you need to tape the batteries. So now take some tape and then tape these batteries to this circuit so that it does not fall off. So now I have taped it. Now just press the switch to see whether it's working. So it's working right now. There's light. Now what you need to do is take your Tic Tac lid, keep the box down, and now open this, and then take this and place it here like this. Now make sure that the bulb is not pointing outside. Now close this lid, and then now you can see it's like this. So now tape this to this lid. So just take some tape and tape it here so that this circuit sticks to the lid of this lid of the Tic Tac box. So make sure that you face the bulb to the part where this thing opens, or else there won't be light. Now tape it properly. So now I have finished taping that, and now close the lid. So now that circuit is inside the torch. Now what you need to do is open this and click the part where the switch is facing. So for me here the switch is here. So now you can't see the circuit, and it looks pretty beautiful. So at night, you better try this at night. You just close the lid and keep it in your bedroom, and it will be giving out green light. If you use a red Tic Tac box, it will give out red light. So this looks very beautiful. You can use it as a lamp, or you can use it as a torch. When you open this, it gives out more light. So now I'll show you a clip at night how this looks. So this is the torch, the Tic Tac torch, and now I will show you the brightness of this Tic Tac torch. So as you can see, this Tic Tac torch gives out a lot of light. It works like a real torch. And now I am going to show you the other 2 modes. So this is the first mode. The second mode is the light which blinks very quickly. This is the third mode in which the light blinks but slower than the second mode. Now I will close the lid to show you the green light that comes from this torch. So as you can see, now this torch is giving a green light. During the night, you can use this as a lamp in your room. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell and give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.